Hi everybody, this is part number 2 from our tour downtown Los Angeles. I was so excited on part 1. I talk over 6 minutes and I almost didn't know it's that fast. But this is the second part right now, and you see I have no interruption, I mean no gap between first and second video. These tours, when I mentioned first time, are through downtown Los Angeles, and you can find the maps and satellite view on my website, Streets of California. Over here it's the places which are government building. I don't remember all names. I have a friend in Poland who knows more about these buildings around the area over here than I, but he can only view from the sky. I can drive in the street. You see over here what I mentioned before, it's more people in downtown. When I take the tour, when I was preparing the tour, I get idea how to drive second time, not by preparing the map and go. Actually we go with my wife during the night, day before, and I drive like 95% of this tour from my head. I just dictate to my wife, this is east, west, this street, and I get problem only one place, when way how I would like to drive was only one direction, and I couldn't make other direction, other different turn than street, and I was going 3 times around what direction to go to don't duplicate. You will notice on the other video, when I was on Sunday, I try make a right turn, actually left turn after you turn to the tunnel, but they was shooting video there, and instantly I get idea I have to go different street than to come back to the street which I was planning to drive. By the way, I invite you to see soon my other video from downtown, horrific accident, which will be also available soon, and you can enjoy. And I plan to go during the night and drive in some street during the night. I already have one video from at night from downtown, 10 minutes, which I shot maybe 2 years ago, but right now was from the car, but not positioned like I do it right now, mounted in my car. I plan to do it because with my wife we find out it's so nice, so many different light, and this will be different view for the people who see it. Also I plan go and shoot the video from a helicopter, but this is a little bit more expensive because I would like to get maybe a little bit longer tour, or the tour which I would like to do it, and also at night. I already spoke with some people who can take me there, and that's my project when I'll be able to do it. I have already one tour from downtown, but it's no high definition. totally my own video, not share with someone. If you see over here, you can notice it's not so many cars because it's Sunday, but you see more people walking and doing something compared to 3 years ago. Once more, it's 5 minutes. Go to my one of preview video and some additional explanation and purpose how this whole project began. Listen to video over there. I mean, watch the video and listen what I and my wife will say, because that's information like behind the scene, why we do it, what we do it. Okay, thank you very much, and I will try find some music. Maybe it's not perfect music, but I had to be cautious with the YouTube what kind of music I have to put it in, and I have to choose from my editing program music. Then I am safe. I don't want to YouTube delete because I put not my own material for the music. My comment, it's mine, of course. Video I shoot by myself, which I totally own right to this video. Over here we're going south. Then we're going to make a right turn to Pico. You will see the Staples place, and I invite you to go to website and see the pictures from downtown. Also, one more video which I was standing in 3 places, I believe it, 2-3 places in the downtown. Of this 77-77 will lead you to everywhere, different project, different information which we prepare. And going back, if you see my other video, which will be also soon, I was standing, actually like walking and standing, and doing some video near Wilshire Boulevard, and on that area over there. It's like one video, 15 minutes length. I invite you over there, of course. Thank you again for watching and to listen to my message. Thank you. Welcome again. I find out my first portion of that audio in this video has distortion in some moment because I get excited different way today. I simply keep mic too close to my mouth and give distortion. I apologize for that one, and I have to compromise if I have to talk again or leave it like as is. But the message is like really personal from me, and unless I to leave it. Also on that portion, actually I make second time because I start to talk too much. I will talk more about some project on the next video, and this should be very close, and please spread the word around that video, and welcome to any kind of help, contact with me please, and maybe we can create together something in addition to show other people. Okay, thank you again, and go to Facebook and other links which I put it in. Thank you very much.